time to do the callaloo. Callaloo, which is a type of spinach. It comes in the can or fresh. Can is easier to use. First you start with 4 strips of chopped bacon. I'm going to fry it until it becomes crisp. And this was done in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. While that is frying, I'm going to chop the tomato and the onion. Now that the bacon is crispy, I'm going to push it to the side and add half of a large tomato chop and half of a large onion chop. Now I'm going to add the codfish, which was soaked overnight in cold water, drained, break up in clumps or lumps. And now I'm going to add that to the tomato and the onion. Now that the onion is all transparent, it's time for that. Mix it in before I pull the bacon in. This is pepper sauce.
That's a nice some hot pepper sauce,
This is some hot pepper sauce. Got to be careful. Some of us can't take too much pepper. I'm one of those people. Now I'm folding the bacon in. Let that simmer for a couple of minutes while I tell you about the callaloo. The callaloo is a green vegetable grown in Jamaica. It grows very quickly, especially if it gets a lot of water. Within 2 weeks it's ready for eating. And it's very similar to the spinach. I think it's the same family as the spinach. So if callaloo is not available, then you can use spinach. The only thing, when you add the spinach to this mixture in the frying pan, you gotta turn the stove on. The spinach cooks so quickly. Just fold the spinach in and set aside. But this can cook for another 4 or 5 minutes and it will still be okay. So I'm adding this to the codfish, bacon, and all the other stuff that's in, which is the onion and the tomato. Now we're going to fold that in as well. And adjust the oil. I had 2 tablespoons of oil in the beginning, and I'm going to add another tablespoon of oil. That should be a tablespoon. And it's mandatory that you sprinkle a little black pepper on the top. Black pepper has its own special seasoning taste. Turn it down to minimum. Cover. And let's simmer for a few minutes. 5 minutes would be good enough. There we go. When this is finished, I'll show you the end product all plated and ready to serve. So here are my boiled bananas. Always good to have a little bit of water boiled that it was cooked in the bottom to keep it moist and hot. And here are the dumplings ready to go. Here, breakfast or lunch is ready. Callaloo and codfish, boiled banana and dumplings.
must be really true. Oh, how I wish I had you.